So today I'll be showing you how to connect an Ethernet cable to your Galaxy Tab A11. Now obviously this tablet does not come with an Ethernet port, but you could use an adapter like this one. Now let's say you're in a place that has no Wi-Fi, nor does it have mobile internet. The only thing you have is wired internet. How do you connect it? So if you have an adapter like this one, which has a Type-C connector, you can actually connect the Ethernet cable to the adapter, and then the adapter with the cable to the Type-C port of your Galaxy tablet. So that should be at the bottom. So once you connect like that, you should have wired internet on your tablet. Now just to test if this works, I'm gonna turn off Wi-Fi and turn off mobile data, and then you can actually see it says here, it shows the icon for wired internet connection. So let's try and play YouTube and see if that works. It works, as you can see already. So I can even play any video that I want. I can play, let me just look for safe video to play. Like this one. So if I just play, you can see it plays. And also you can tell the internet connection is active because this Ethernet adapter is blinking like that. Okay, so I wish I can bring it closer. There you go. So you can see it's blinking. That means we have internet connection on the Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.